Hello, everyone. I'm gonna throw a bunch of balls today. We've got the plums. Sour plums early this season. There's a small mango with a whole cloth. This cloth is my cloth. Do you have a cross? The sour plum is that I have a girdle and marinated salt. Chili sugar. This chili powder is also salted delicious. All the way. Pasta, everyone you mix it up. When I'm done, I mix it all up. It's sour. I invite everyone to eat with me. I'll eat the sour plum first. This plum is the first plum of the season. This plum just sour. It's very sour and very bitter. But it's always eaten. It was always a craving. Top reel. These fruits stimulate the taste buds. Now you're going to eat the lychee. This is my lychee. It's not the big ones, it's the sweet ones. This fruit is a naturally growing. It won't spray. It's not sprayed with pesticides. It's very clean. Or there's a lot of these worms that people have to pay attention to. Delicious. The one I ate the day before, the one I'm eating in the countryside will be more. That fruit is sweeter. Dot a dot. There are some that will break. It's kind of like this. No spray, no fertilizer or anything. I'm gonna eat this mango now. The mango is small, but it's ripe. The shell is so thin that the grain is so big. Yeah, it smells good. I eat the whole shell. Oh my god, it's delicious! It smells sweet. The seed is very thick. Now I'm going to eat one. This fruit that this sour plum I have not smelled. Dip in salt. It's over. Has been extremely. I'll mix it up. Delicious without seasoning. This is a big CH. Shiver. The smell is very special. He's called small and has martial arts. It's too stimulating for the taste buds. My cats are all asleep. I'm bored and sleepy. It's a mess from morning until night. You're tired now? This cloth is very delicious. Drenched in dipping sauce. It's called very spicy. It's always super spicy. There's always a desire for everyone. Eating is a book. Bye bye, everyone is waiting for the next video. Bye bye, bye bye.